Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to report a scam on Telegram. So let's get straight into the video. So generally, in order to go ahead and report a scam on Telegram, what you can do is use the built-in report feature. So if it is a group that has scammed you, so let's say, for example, this test group right here, what I can do is simply go ahead and click on the group. And once you've done that, simply click on the triple dot, and now you can simply go ahead and report it. If you don't find it, you can simply go ahead and report it from here as well. So it is as simple as that. If you don't know how to go ahead and do it with another method, I'm going to show you another one real quick. So if you want to report, you can also simply go ahead and use the @no2scam channel. So all you need to do is go to the search bar and then search for @no2scam and click on report right over here. What you need to do is simply go ahead and send the message and screenshots if you want to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.